are you still wondering what digital product to create and sell, or are you still confused about how to sell your digital products? Obviously, digital products are very tempting because of the so many advantages they have compared to physical products. You don't have to bother about inventory, and you don't have to bother about shipping or delivery logistics. Okay, so but as a person that wants to sell digital products, you need to have the right strategy to actually come out fine selling digital product. Because if you don't have the right strategy, you rush in and rush out without success. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Francis Eze, and I'm all about talking on how to make money online and every other value or content that will help your making money online journey easier for you. And if you're coming to this channel for the first time, you are most welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also super welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content on how to make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. So, in as much as selling these two products appears easy and simple, you should also have the right strategy to actually market your product, because selling anything online is all about you making your money and have sales coming in, because that's the only way you can sustain that business. So if you don't have the right strategy before delving into selling digital product, trust me, you go in and come right out without making any money, or you may make little money, but it's not going to be sustainable. You cannot actually bank on it. So you need to have the right strategy. Then selling online product or selling digital product is not just all about picking up a particular topic, creating content on it, and uploading it out there on the internet with the hope that customers or buyers will come and start. No, that you have to build a strategy. You have to follow some laid down rules or marketing principles for you to come out successful. Okay, and in this video, assuming you are a beginner who is trying to sell digital products, or you are an expert already, in this video I'm going to show you 6 steps that you need to actually make as much as 6 to 7 figures monthly selling digital products online. Okay, so these 6 steps, they are not actually marketing steps, but this is what I from my experience, I noticed that this information or this system actually helps me to be able to achieve very good success selling digital products online. Okay, and what are those 6 steps? Meanwhile, if you are looking for marketing steps on how to sell your digital products online, those step-by-step marketing principles that you need to apply in your digital product selling, I have a video right somewhere on the screen, okay, where simply click that link and to take you to the video where I talked about the marketing steps you need to sell your digital product and still make as much as 6 to 7 figures monthly. Okay, so without further ado and without wasting much of your time, let's delve into the first among the 6 steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So the first one is get someone that already have experience in whatever digital product you want to sell online. Okay, so if you want to go into affiliate marketing, trying to be a middleman, refer people to a product that you didn't create and all that, find someone that is actually good with that, and someone that has actually made lots and lots of successful moves in that aspect. Then if you want to create your own course or your own ebook and sell online, look for someone that had actually had serious success doing this also, because that way you'll be able to cut across all the pitfalls or all the failures person experienced. So you have to start right off where the person started having good success, okay? Because having a coach or having someone that's actually have successful experience in that particular online business venture or digital product you wish to sell will actually make your success faster. I had a personal experience whereby I used a coach or someone that had actually sold a particular digital product that I wanted to market. I leveraged on his advice and on his course, and I was able to make just in 2 months what I couldn't do on my own in the past 11 months. Okay, so that's show you how important a coach is. Then the next one is focus on sales. I see so many persons online. They start off trying to sell these two products, and the first thing they do is they waste so much time trying to brand this, trying to get a graphic designer to design this, to design that, doing so many unnecessary things. If you wish to sell and make money online, your focus should be on sales. Once you are done with creating the content and the value you want to offer your customers, the next thing is sales. Focus on sales. I'm not saying that branding is not good, but if there is no way that brand is going to bring in more sales, then there is no need for that. What you need is sales. Then once enough sales start coming in, then you can decide to touch other aspects of your business, brand as much as you can, and get as much customers as possible. So most importantly, focus on sales. The next one is one-on-one training or one-on-one classes. This goes both ways. One, the coach that you want to learn from. I prefer going for one-on-one class instead of the whole group class, because on one-on-one classes you learn more, you gain more. You understand? From that one-on-one classes, that's where you can actually attain mastery as fast as possible. All this group training, you may lose focus along the line, and you may end up not even trying what you learned from the course. But one-on-one training and courses whereby your coach have one-on-one access, you can ask as many questions as possible, and you can get as much focused as possible. And in most cases, you learn right on the job. Like when you have a one-on-one coaching session, you are immediately practicing what your coach or whoever that is in charge is teaching you, unlike in group courses. Okay, and coaches tend to put in more content or more value in one-on-one class, though it may be a little bit costlier than the group courses. So on the second aspect is the value you offer to your customers. No matter what you sell online, be it ebook, be it a course and all that, always upsell, always have this option for premium one-on-one class, okay, or premium one-on-one course where you charge your customers more, because those one-on-one courses give you the opportunity to charge more, to make more from that same content you sell for group classes and all that. Okay, so that's basically for those that are into creating courses and all that. But if it's just ebook, no problem. You can sell to group because your audience or your customer don't need, your videos and all that. So for ebooks, that's an exception. But for courses, I suggest, aside having the group courses, also have one-on-one. Okay, it could be video course, it could be training on any of the social media platform, be it WhatsApp and all that. Okay, so the next one is you do not need much to begin. I see oftentimes beginners trying to create digital products. They are always stuck in this space of trying to figure everything out before they could make the first move. No. Once you've been able to spot a problem, a pressing need, and you've been able to create content and value which you wish to offer to your customers or to your prospective clients, then all you need is get started. You don't have to figure everything out. Then when you get started, from the reviews you are getting from your customers and all that, you keep optimizing whatever value you have out there. You keep adding new things, you keep improving and all that. You don't have to get it all figured out, because if you wait for that, you may end up not starting. Okay, so the next one is associate with colleagues. Oftentimes, you see internet marketers or digital product sellers trying to isolate themselves, trying to do all by themselves, or try to be in this cold mental competition with their colleagues. Associate, change your environment, meet people that are in the same niche with you, meet people that are doing the same line of business with you, or selling some kind of online product with you. Interact with them. You get to learn so many new ways of doing things and so many different ways of doing things, and that way your success of achieving 6 to 7 figures weekly or even monthly selling digital products becomes very, very hard. Okay, so to the last one, though not the least, never charge too low. Yeah, oftentimes you get teachers that tell you, get the customers first, charge as low as possible to attract them and all that. Once you know you are giving out value, once you know that what you are giving out is value, and is a fresh value, and is a new content and all that, and not you trying to sell your old stock of content and information or courses. Once it's a fresh content and a fresh value, don't sell low. Instead of you to sell low, give it out for free. You create more value, because if you sell low, that's how your audience perceives you. If your course is low, they feel like this may not work. Maybe let me just give it a try, but I know it's not working. Because customers that pay attention. If your customer should pay good amount of money for a course or for a digital product, they take it more seriously, and at the end of the day, they come back to give testimonials, because for the fact that they invested good amount of money, they will also invest good amount of time, and in doing those two, they will actually practice what you teach and actually come out successful or have solution to their problems. And that way they will come back for more. But when you sell too low, you tend to attract low paying customers, which you may not be able to upsell to in the future. Okay, so instead of you to sell low, give it out for free. You can actually give out initial or the better part of your digital product out for free and get reviews. When you get as much reviews as possible, you can actually use that to beef up your marketing strategy and get as much sales as possible, still selling your product at a very premium price. Okay, so now that you know all these 6 steps, I hope you don't go back making the same mistakes you made in the past, and I hope these 6 steps will help you attain that 6-figure monthly digital product selling. Okay, don't sleep on this. Do digital products still pay, or do digital product selling still pay? It still pay all the time. So just go out there and practice what you've learned. Okay, so having been with me in this video up to this moment, thank you for watching, and see you next time.